I reckon if you head over there, into that structure over there, I reckon there might be half a chance. Because I've only gone down, I haven't come up before. I haven't gone up the river. It's amazing how high the water used to sit.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's that break I was telling you about, mate. Oh, I'm on. Yep. He's got me in the snags. Aha, got the net situation sorted out now.
How big is he?
Don't know. Probably 45.
You weren't far wrong about that structure, mate.
Yeah.
Where do you come from?
Gonna bang a photo of that on me?
Yep.
Under there, right under the log.
Under here where you seen?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Told ya. You got my fish. What do you got there, mate? You got a fish?
Oh, no, I do not want to lose you.
You're not gonna... Yeah. Hey, it's a real thing, isn't it, when it gets on? Told ya.
Holy shit.
He's a good fish too.
Yeah.
He's an awesome fish, mate.
Got some weight. Holy shit.
Where is he? Just there.
Holy shit.
Hang on. Hang on.
Holy shit.
What we'll do... Oh, he is a big fish.
Yeah.
He's a big fish. He's a big fish, mate. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Don't.
Give me that net. Hold on to the net.
Hang on.
Just hold on to that net, mate.
Got it.
Hold on. Get him in.
Oh, fucking hell.
So, hang on. Got you there, bit of live focus too, mate. You did well.
Oh.
You did well, brother. That is an awesome fish. I'm jealous.
Oh, holy crap.
Yeah, did he? I bet he pulled on that rod a bit, didn't he?
Yeah. Oh God, yeah.
He let you know.
That's the rod in the water.
Hang up. Beautiful fish.
How do I release him?
Yeah, you just put him in and just pull those two handles apart in there. That's it. Pull the pliers out. Here we off, mate. There he goes. Put it there, brother. First Murray cod ever in the Ovens River. In a sinking kayak. Two sinking kayaks.
Two sinking kayaks.
Cast it in here. Right, got all snagged up on this bloke's leader. It's a big leader. Have a look at the swim bait. Have a go at it. It's just stuck here. Up on here. It must have been snagged on this log when the water was up higher and he couldn't see it. He's got a proper knot on the go here, loop knot. He's done the right thing there. Have a go at this thing. It's got a weight in it. And anyway, moving on, it's really interfering with my situation here. Geez, it feels like 100-pound leader. This stuff is as thick as... This stuff is really serious gear. Whoever was using... Get out of here, you dog. I've got my Coolabung cod cracker here, and he's all tangled up with the old swim bait here from old mate. This is no good. Bit of a situation here. Bit of a situation. Gonna have to get the pliers out.